Hey everyone, and welcome back. We're going to be jumping in to the next screen, and we have check boxes. They work very similar to radio buttons. Radio buttons are generally circular, and you can only have one option selected at a time. When you do have a checkbox, you can have more than one option. Even though today we are going to be prototyping just one single option, that is how the interaction goes for radio's first checkboxes. In the last video, we worked on a radio button specifically. So let's see what this checkbox can look like. We're just using a standard design for this, which is the box that is empty. And we're gonna bring in a check. So let's go to our assets. And you'll see a bunch of different versions here. So I want to focus on these two. I'm gonna grab the entire checkbox container. So I have that. So I'm gonna Command C, go over to my design, move these buttons over, and Command V. So we can bring them over here. So first step is to bring that new button in. Don't forget to go on your design panel. It's much easier to work. So we're going to move that new button right in there. Just so we have that disabled state again. And we are going to bring in a hover state for our checkbox. There we go. And then we are going to once again, let's drag these down here so it's just easier to work. Great. And we will be able to put our standard button in there. Perfect. So all I'm doing is I'm pressing Option while I'm clicking the button to drag it. Okay, and we need this hover state. So bring that in there. Great. Okay, and now we're ready to link this. Let's link it. So we are gonna go with the first option. When you hover, on click, nope. While hovering, we are going to smart animate at 300. Great. Let's do the same thing here, but instead of on hover, we're going to just do on click. So we drag that down, on click, 300, perfect. And now we have our screen ready to go. So we are ready. We're going to do while hovering once again, and then this new screen will be connected to this button, and on click we are going to navigate. Remember, it is push on every new screen and 500. That's kind of what I've decided on. You can do whatever you like, but just remember to stay consistent across screens. Okay, now that we have that linked up, let's take a look. Nice, we have a nice little hover, click, and we are on to the next screen. That's how you can make some pretty quick checkbox interactions in Figma.